Greetings and welcome to My Mind's Madness. If you're wanting to keep up to date with the latest NetTshooter files that we do weekly, the best way you can do this is by installing the GitHub Desktop application. Let's have a go. If you've never used GitHub before, then the best place to start is by opening up your favorite browser and navigating to GitHub Desktop. The best way to do this is to Google GitHub Desktop. Click on the installation option and then follow the links for download now. Once downloaded, click on the executable to launch the new application. Once the application started, select Clone Repository from the internet, and in the URL section, we're going to paste in the URL for the NetTshooters repository from My Mind's Madness. To do this, we need to navigate to My Mind's Madness on GitHub. So pull up your browser again and go to github.com/MyMindsMadness. Here, find the NetTshooters repository and go to the code section and copy the HTTPS URL. Back to GitHub, and you can now paste that URL in, select the local path, and then select clone. Once this is done cloning, you'll be able to navigate to that local path on your computer and find all of the files that exist within the NetTshooters folder or repository online. Another great function here is the ability to fetch new updates from the repository. Simply open up GitHub Desktop, select Fetch Origin, and you'll find here that there's a new pull from the origin. Select Pull, and now once that's downloaded, you'll be able to navigate back to that folder and find a brand new file or updates in that folder, in this case, latest file. Hope you enjoyed this. All the best. Catch you later.